Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports Face ID and is updated. This matters because firmware affects sensors. Once done, remove any mask or sunglasses so the true depth camera can map your features accurately. Position the phone at eye level and hold it roughly 10 to 20 inches from your face. Move slowly if prompts ask for head movement. Tap Setup Face ID and follow the first on-screen circle scans. These initial steps create the baseline biometric map the system uses. After the initial capture, you complete the second scan to fill gaps. This ensures reliable recognition from different angles. Make sure to follow the circular prompts and rotate your head slowly so the sensor records peripheral features. This reduces false rejects. Next, go to Settings and tailor Face ID options. Enable Attention Aware for added security or disable it for convenience. If your appearance varies often, add an alternate appearance. Otherwise, skip it to keep the template compact and precise. Finally, adjust what Face ID unlocks. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and enable only iPhone unlock so apps and payments still require passcodes if you prefer. Once set, test unlocking in typical lighting and with accessories like glasses. If recognition fails repeatedly, reopen setup and perform a fresh Face ID enrollment. 3 or more failures suggests a bad scan. If problems persist, toggle Face ID off and on or restart the phone. That often clears minor sensor or software issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.